Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 30th, 2023. I hope everybody's had a great Monday out there so far. I hope everybody's having a great evening out there as well. And I hope you continue to stay well. Okay. If you're a new viewer, if you have not subscribed yet, do so by subscribing to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share these videos as so that way I can get this content out to more people to watch. So that way everybody can stay ahead of these storms and stuff that's coming our way. Because we have a major ice storm developing from Texas all the way to the mid-Atlantic region. Started today, and it will linger all the way into Thursday. Okay, let's talk about today's video. Today we will talk about the we're going to look at the weather maps. We're going to be looking at the watching and warning maps across the United States. Ice total for the United States as well. We're going to take a look at the national radar view and a sneak peek of your Columbia, South Carolina radar at the end of this broadcast. So stick around as the fun begins. Let's dive on into the forecast here. Okay, we're looking at the weather map here. We're looking at showers, maybe showers along the southeastern United States. Excuse me. We have winter mixed precipitation from New York City all the way back into Texas, with freezing rain possible anywhere from Texas all the way up into West Virginia, portions of the mountains of western North Carolina and southern Virginia. Southwest Virginia. Thunderstorms extending south of this here ice, extended through Houston, Texas, all the way back down into northern Mexico. We have a little system developing over here in the southwest from the Baja California all the way back into Arizona, all the way back up into Colorado, producing rain over southwest Arizona, mixed precipitation in the middle, and snow on the north side of Arizona and over into Colorado. We have another little system coming in from Vancouver, Canada, which will move into Seattle, Washington vicinities, also over into Montana and Idaho. We have more snow over here around Toronto, Canada, also back over into northern Wisconsin and portion of Michigan, and also a portion of New York State. Alright, here's a look at the forecast for Wednesday. We have dry weather over the portion of the northeast, except snowfall over around Montreal, Canada, and Toronto, Canada, and portions of Michigan, portion of northeast Minnesota. Also, we have snow falling over here across from Wyoming back to Montana, back into Vancouver, Canada, portion of mixed precipitation northwest of Seattle, Washington. We have mixed precipitation, also freezing rain possible in the slashed area from Texas all the way, well, really from Arizona all the way over to a portion of northern North Carolina and Virginia, with freezing rain possible here. A little bit of heavy rain with flash flooding possible. Thunderstorms across northern Mexico, southern Texas, all the way back over into Alabama, with a few rain showers over the Carolinas and North Georgia. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the lower 48 watches and warning maps. Across the northeastern portion of the United States, we only have a little bit of a winter weather advisory over a portion of New York State. Also, we have winter weather advisory extending from West Virginia all the way back into Texas. That's in the purple. In the pink area here is winter storm warnings for Texas, Oklahoma, and also this is a portion of Missouri and also southern Illinois. Ice storm warnings in more of a reddish purple looking color across Arkansas over into western Tennessee. We have flood watches in effect for northern Louisiana, eastern Texas. We have up here in the northern plains wind chill advisory for portions of portion of Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, over towards Montana, also Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska, and Colorado. Also, we have some, let's see, special weather statements over here in Nevada, portions of Wyoming as well. And also we have sporadic winter weather advisories across Arizona, Utah, and Colorado. Freeze warnings affect portions of California, and a few little fire weather watches, fire weather warnings and lake wind advisories for Southern California. Alright, here's the ice totals across the lower 48 for the next 16 days. Over here in the west, you see sporadic. This is the heaviest precipitation. This is where I'm expecting a lot of power outages also to occur in Texas. Also slippery roads, bridges, and overpasses. Also over here in Arkansas, all the way over into Kentucky, y'all will be under the ice precipitation falling as well, which will produce a lot of ice, which will produce lots of power outages, slick roads, and bridges and overpasses also. Maybe out of power also for several days in this region here as well. We have another little storm system that may bring a little bit of ice to the mountains of North Carolina, up into portions of Pennsylvania, and also up into the northeastern United States. Also, we have another little system here over around Iowa, going over into Wisconsin, and also up into southeast Canada, that may produce some ice as well. May produce good little glaze of ice, maybe sporadic power outages in that region as well. Okay, now let's take a look at the radar view for the lower 48. Here's that mixed precipitation, snow falling in the northeast. Here's that winter storm brewing over the central plains. Also portions of the Ohio River Valley. We have little scattered showers developing from that system toward the Carolinas. Also, we have little pockets of precipitation falling over here from Colorado all the way back into Southern California. And there's that little system that's producing that mixed precipitation over northwest Washington State. Alright, now here's a sneak peek at the Columbia radar. We have showers moving into the forecast area from the west. The little shortwave energy moves across the state overnight. I'm expecting some fog by tomorrow morning, and also some scattered showers through the night and again on your Tuesday. So that's why I will keep the rain chances in South Carolina around 20 to 30% for Tuesday and Wednesday. Ramp them up to 90% for Thursday. Drop them back down to 50% for Friday. 0% for Saturday. Sunday, question mark. Could there be a little bit of winter precipitation for South Carolina, Georgia, and North Carolina? Stay tuned. I will have more on that in later forecasts. Okay, well, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hope you enjoyed this broadcast. Consider subscribing to my channel, and we will catch you back on the next one.